Hi, I'm Pip from Queen Pip Cards and the Card Making Know-How Academy. Sometimes the most eye-catching designs aren't the one packed with masses of details. They're the ones that use negative space effectively. In today's Crafty Corner episode, I'm going to explain to you how to create simple, elegant cards using this technique. So, what is negative space or white space? It's basically the bit that balances a design and draws attention to the focal point. So here's how you can use it. Keep it clean. Leave some blank space around your sentiment or your image to give it room to breathe and stand out. Don't crowd your design with lots and lots of elements and lots of pieces. Use a simple colour palette. Pop of colour on a mostly white background creates a striking contrast. Now, you may think that black is an absence of colour, and you'd be right, it is. But black against white is the most striking of contrasts that you can make. But you can also try it with a bold blue or a ruby red. Both work well too. So think about how you can leave some additional white elements in your card. And I know that this scares you a lot. Loads and loads of crafters tell me, I don't want to leave it. It looks too blank. It looks too empty. It looks too bare. But honestly, that space helps your card to breathe and helps your focal point to really come to life. And you can do it with die cutting or a masking technique. So try layering negative space with dies or stencils. This can add dimension as well as interest. And this techniques make your card look polished and professional, which is what we want. Even though we like it handmade, we still want it to look polished and we still want it to look quite professional. So, do you want to master minimalist elegance? There's a phrase. Inside the Card Making Know-How Academy, I share tutorials on design principles and creative techniques. I love creating and sharing different designs and all the different techniques with all my members, from monochrome to negative space and everything in between. We have them all in the Academy. So why not join us today? Jump on here, queenpipcards.com, and head to the members section and you'll be able to join us there. I would love to see you inside the membership. And I hope you've enjoyed today's Crafty Corner episode. If you have, give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe and all those things. And I'll see you again next week. Take care for now. Bye bye.